Hello YouTube. This is Insta360 X3 camera as you know it, and probably you have seen many videos about it. I'll show it again here and hope to give you more details. Then I'll show you a few accessories and how they can be used. This camera can be handled entirely with one hand. For this video I'll be using my tripod and a lens cover that keeps the screen black during handling. The camera is now in a standby mode. By pressing the power button, the screen appears. Let's start with the settings. I click on the settings gear. I'll cover only the most important elements here. Like USB mode. This mode lets you connect the camera to computer. Webcam mode. Quick reader. This is a device to back up your videos. And on-read mode. Video bit rate, high and standard. You can select them here. Video sharpness, highest, high, medium, low. High is the best. Auto sleep. This function switches off the display backlight after a certain period of time. When the camera is in use, there is no need to keep the backlight on. Auto power off. This is a standby mode if you forget to switch off the camera. SD card. Format the SD card. Customize button. You can customize the right one. The left one do a start and stop recording. You can choose the right one to do the same. Or do switch cameras, front camera, rear camera, or both of them. That's it for important settings. When the device is switched on, start by clicking here. Then choose 360-degree camera or single lens. With 360, you have 11 possibilities, as it appears on screen. With single camera, you have 4 possibilities, as it appears on screen. Photo, video, active, HDR, time-lapse. Time-lapse takes photo at different time intervals. Time shift. Time shift records video when the camera is in motion. Bullet time. Slow motion video. Loop recording. It's like a dash camera. It retains only the last minutes of the recorded video, from 1 minute to 30 minutes. Star lapse takes photo every second. Burst takes 9 photos in 1 second. Interval takes photo every 3 seconds or 120 seconds. HDR photo, high dynamic range photo. For single lens, you have 4 possibilities: photo, video, me mode. Me mode is a video mode. There, you are always on the screen. No matter how you hold the camera, you will be the only one on a screen. Loop recording. It's like a dash camera. In single lens mode, you can choose your field of vision, default field of vision or field of vision plus, with a brief description on a screen. And that's it for the single camera. The next point concerns all modes. Scroll your finger across the screen from right to left to adjust white balance, exposure value, pure shot, ISO, camera aperture, RAW mode, logarithm mode, vivid mode. And now the quick menu. Here you can choose a predefined setting shortcut. You can also add your own shortcut. The key is to define a parameter and then click on the quick menu button to save it for future use. Also, you can overwrite or delete this shortcut at any time, as shown. To use your camera immediately to take a photo or video without switching it on or off, proceed as shown. Go to Settings and click on the Quick Capture icon to activate it, blue color. Then, when the device is switched off, you can click on this button and the device switches on and perform the last settings. This can be any settings. Then stop it by pressing the same button. Here are a few of its accessories. Note that none of the X2's accessories are compatible with the X3. Depending on how you use your camera, you can remove the USB cover and store it in its box. This storage case is perfect and can be used with all silicone protectors. This black silicone protective case works well, but must be used on its own. You cannot use these two elements together. This white silicone case in plastic fully protects the X3, even its screen. But you can't remove the battery. This highly flexible lens protection can be used with all silicone cases. The Insta360 is a wonderful practical camera for any situation, with computer-enabled shots that you shoot first, frame later. Enjoy the technology.